If you're watching this video, you probably want to know if the ridiculous claims about this product are actually real. Can you really make so much money with no work in such a short period of time? Stick with me till the end of this 2-minute video and you're in for a big surprise. Hi, I'm Michael, and I've spent years trying desperately to find a legit way to make money online. Every day, some fly-by-night guru launches a new product and claims it is the ultimate push-button system to overnight riches. I've bought into countless similar products and 9 times out of 10, they let me down. Except for one program that I'll reveal in the end. They promise money-back guarantees, but if you check their websites, they tell affiliates that there are no refunds and they can keep all their commissions. They also say it's 100% free. But there's also some deposit you need to make to a broker or pay for some useless hosting. This is how these greedy marketers make their money, and not by actually using these products, since they know they flat out don't work. These savvy marketers don't want you to know this simple truth, that there are real legit opportunities that are free, but will require a little bit of work from your side. If you're tired of all the BS and are prepared to do what it takes, you can have for a very limited time practically free access to test a real proven system that actually does work by clicking on the link below. You'll receive all the information and tools you need to get started with no hidden fees or hard upsells.